Hello there, Sea Moss community. I just want to put out a PSA really quick. So I have ran across people that say I take my sea moss and I take it religiously, which is all fine and dandy until I see a picture like this. This is not real sea moss, okay? This does not hold the necessary nutrients that you would get had it was grown out in nature. I'm not going to say that it's fake sea moss, but it is a hybrid of real sea moss grown in a pool and doused with table salt. That's not the business, and that's not what's up. I would hate to think of what that is doing to your body. And I just want to show you what good quality sea moss looks like. This is good quality sea moss. This looks nothing like this. Okay. If you're cleaning your sea moss and you're pulling trash and gunk out of your sea moss, stop. Please stop. And find you a reputable sea moss distributor. Okay? No. Just please don't. Please stop buying. It's $4.99 a pound. Okay? $4.99 a pound. I'm not one to price gouge or anything like that, but you're not going to get real sea moss for $4.99 a pound. Not at all. Your sea moss should be dry. It should be clean, and it should smell good. It should smell like the ocean, not dead fish, and it shouldn't look like ginger sticks with sugar on it. That's gross. So if you want to get real sea moss, good quality sea moss, clean sea moss from secured water, straight from Jamaica, please contact us. We sell it raw. We sell the gel, and we sell our juices. www.caveandnatural.com. Treat your body like the temple that it is, and stop taking this mess. All sea moss is not good sea moss. Okay? Treat your body like the temple that it is. Bye, loves.